Thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear. This here is one of our larger gearboxes for a wind turbine out in the ocean, out in the South Pacific actually. This box took about 3 weeks to get here. This box will be repaired within 3 days and shipped back out via ship cargo to our client out in the South Pacific. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. National Gear Repair repairs all types of turbine gearboxes for gas, combustion engines, wind turbines, all types of power plants. So this here is going to be rebuilt with brand new bearings and seals. The bearings and seals are already pre-ordered. This is how we could actually repair it in 3 days. We got everything here ready to go. Hopefully there's no gear damage. If the gears are good, we will relap them, repolish them, and re-put them into the production box, and then get this box shipped back out to the customer. If the gearing is damaged, we will provide gearing. We will manufacture all necessary gearing under emergency rush repair. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me do a little pan so you can see the size of the configuration of this box. Thank you. Thank you for taking your time to watch our video here at National Gear. These are our very large Gamesa gearboxes that arrived from Sri Lanka. These boxes was rebuilt by National Gear. As you've seen some bits and pieces in our video tutorial, National Gear replaced all the bearings and seals, oil filters. A lot of the oil lines were damaged, I believe due to transportation. National Gear straightened them out, repaired and replaced some oil lines as well. Some new felt. The shaft seal areas was hand polished and hand ground to make sure that we deburred all rough edges when we applied all the new felt. Not to mention the bearing floats and the preloads were set to Gamesa standards, and these boxes are now getting prepped for paint. And then tomorrow morning we will be testing these boxes and then shipping these things all the way back to Sri Lanka. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. And thank you for taking your time to watch the duration of this video. We are now at the finish line. National Gear Repair did a rebuild on these Gamesa gearboxes for one of our clients out overseas. The boxes are now being done through testing. We are running our boxes here on the input. The high-speed input is running perfectly, as well as the low-speed output is running perfectly. If you could maybe get in here and see the shaft rotating, this box has been running for about a half hour so far. We will continue to run Make sure there's no leaks, no overheating, any vibration, any abnormalities. So far, boxes are sounding wonderful. We will let this run another hour, then we will tear it down, and we will hook up our direct drive onto the other gearbox to make sure both of them are working perfectly. So, please, like I said, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video channel. Thank you. Thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos here. This here was our second Gamesa box that was rebuilt. New bearings, new seals, repaired the shaft seal areas, new felt was installed, some new air breathers, some new lines, repaired some lines. We are now finishing our testing, and testing is coming out perfect. We're not getting no vibrations, no overheating, any abnormalities. We will continue to run this box for the next hour, maybe an hour and a half, to ensure that the boxes, when shipped back to Sri Lanka, are in perfect working condition. And that's the input side. The output side here is running perfect. If you want, maybe, Muncie, you can maybe swing by and take a look at that. Maybe take a quick look at that. But everything is running perfect, ideal so far. Again, our temperature readings are perfect. We feel very confident with the repair. We're very happy with the repair. And this was done once production had started. This only took 6 weeks to repair. And that's the quickest you're going to find on the globe, in the planet, hands down. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.